Hello, everyone. So I use Notion, and like in Google Docs, I would like to be able to open a Notion page from anywhere. Like it could be on my desktop, I don't know, YouTube, like whatever. And I made that happen by using an app software called Autohotkey, and I made a script that I will also add in the description below. I will also add how to get Autohotkey. It's a free open source software. So I'm just gonna press XN right now. And there we have it, Notion U. Yay. Because, yeah, it's easier that way. Similar to, when you open a new Google Docs page, you just write doc.new. So I will post the code and I hope that someone's life gets a little bit easier because I know mine did. Thank you for watching.